welcome to Ginger Welsh Allotments. I am Bethan and I'm over on my plot and I've got a bit of bad news. We've had vandals visit last night and they've destroyed a few things. So I thought I would show you what they've destroyed and well, talk you through my thoughts. Here's where my brassica cage was, and it hasn't gone that far. They've just pulled it over so that the brassicas are exposed to the birds, but they haven't done any actual damage to the plants. They've just pulled over the cage, so for that I'm grateful. And I was actually going to pull out the last of the sprouts today and take away this part of the cage anyway, so that's not too bad, I suppose. Let's move on and I'll show you the other stuff. They've pulled some more of my netting over here, and again, as luck would have it, that was going to be one of my jobs today, was to take that netting down and get rid of the sprouts that are there. So I shall sort that out in a bit. I'll move on to show you the other bits and bobs they've damaged. My bamboo cage, which I put up for my raspberries, they've pulled a lot of that over, and at first when I came in, this was the first thing I saw, and I thought that we'd had bad wind last night, and I thought, well, surely the wind wouldn't be able to pull over that, it's all cable tied together. And then as I looked around, this is the bit that I'm really annoyed about, is they pulled over my water butt and they've actually broken it with the stone, one of the cement concrete stones that it was resting on, and they've pulled this water butt over as well, which they haven't broken, and they've also broken a window, but they haven't taken anything from inside the shed. So apart from the odd bit of glass, my tools are still here. I don't keep anything of value over here anyway. My tools are still here, and it's just sort of cosmetic damage as far as I can see. So I am really frustrated about this, and I thought for a while that our allotments just butt onto the pathway. There's no security here, so there's no point in me worrying too much or stressing about it too much, because they could just come back again, and I know there's that risk, and I just hope that they won't come back again. I'm really annoyed about my water butt, because everything else was kind of just took a bit of work to get it back to where it was, but that water butt, I'm gonna have to replace that now, and that is what is really frustrating, is that mindless vandalism that they've just done for whatever reason goes through their heads. And I was a bit deflated when I came over here first, and it did upset me and it did make me cry, but I've cried now, and now I've just got to get on with fixing it and doing the repair jobs that need doing, really. So I'm sorry if this camera work is really shaky. I haven't got my steady cam with me because I wasn't expecting to do a vlog today. I was just expecting to do a bit of weeding and a bit of tidying up of my brassicas, which I am going to do a bit of tidying up of my brassicas, but not in the way I was expecting. So I've also taken a look at other people's allotments, and there's been damage done on all of their allotments, and I've just got a couple of photos which I took, which I'll just pop in here now. As you can see, someone's poor fruit cage has taken a real battering, and that's the other thing I'm thinking, because I was about to put in a fruit cage myself, and to see the damage that's been done to other people's fruit cage is really, really disheartening. I've had my plot for about 3 or 4 years now, and this is the first time anything like that has happened. So I'm kind of hoping that maybe it'll be another 3 or 4 years before anything else happens again. But you never know, do you? They might come back for a few weeks and do something else every night, or they might not come back at all. You just don't know, do you? It's that sort of not knowing, and just hoping that they won't come back. So that's it for me for my vlogging today. I'm going to go and tidy up a bit now and get my thoughts in order. And all I can say about today is not such a lovely job.